Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna shawarma. First, let's prepare our flavorful marinade. You'll need fresh tuna steaks, a good quality olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and a blend of classic shawarma spices like cumin, coriander, and paprika. Whisk these ingredients together in a bowl, ensuring a smooth consistency. Then, generously coat your tuna steaks and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even longer for deeper flavor. Now that your tuna is beautifully marinated, it's time to cook it to perfection. Heat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat with a touch of oil. Sear the tuna steaks for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a nice golden brown crust while keeping the inside tender. Remember, tuna cooks quickly, so don't overdo it. Once cooked, remove the tuna from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it thinly against the grain. With your tuna perfectly cooked and sliced, it's time for the exciting part, assembling your shawarma. Gently warm your pita bread or flatbreads until they are soft and pliable. Next, spread a generous layer of creamy tahini sauce across the bread. This adds a wonderful richness. Pile on your thinly sliced tuna, then add your favorite fresh toppings like diced tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro. Roll it up tightly and enjoy. Your homemade tuna shawarma is now ready to be devoured. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a side of extra tahini sauce or a spicy garlic sauce for dipping. It pairs wonderfully with a simple green salad or some crispy seasoned fries. This dish is not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to traditional shawarma. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, I highly recommend checking out the book linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your meal, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.